this drone came with us because this drone is having a problem in the spraying system. If we see the centrifugal motor number 1, we're gonna see that it's not rotating so fast, and look the spraying. And if we see in the centrifugal 2, look the spraying. And here in the control we can see pump number 1 flow calculation error. And if we see in the remote controller in the spraying system settings, look, rotational speed and flow of the pump number 1, we can look at. So we do a calibration,
Disable spraying.
a calibration in the pump flow, and we get a problem here in the controller that says that the centrifugal motor have obstruction, or I don't remember the other problem, but here we see that the problem of this drone, that the flow, we can see it in the remote controller. So we're gonna do some tests. We're gonna check if the centrifugal motor have obstruction, or maybe the pump is damaged.